Dear students, now we shall discuss the new chapter, that is coordinate geometry. Okay. Now let us consider the board as a plane. In this plane, I draw two perpendicular lines. Let us take this as one line. Okay. For this line, I have to draw one more line which is perpendicular to this. So this is another line. Okay. Now I will call this line as x-axis. This line is called what? X-axis. The horizontal line. This is horizontal line. The horizontal line is called as what? X-axis. And the line which is perpendicular to the horizontal line, that is what? Here it is vertical line. So this vertical line is called as what? Y-axis. This vertical line is called as what? Y-axis. Horizontal line is called as x-axis. First point it is. Then second point. Vertical line is called as what? Y-axis. Vertical line is called as y-axis. These two lines are perpendicular to each other. That is very important. Two lines are perpendicular to each other. And these two perpendicular lines intersect at this point. They are intersecting at this point. This point is called as origin. O, capital O it is. What is that? Origin is the point of contact or point of intersection, I can say. Okay. Origin is the point of contact of two perpendicular axes or point of contact of x-axis and y-axis. Okay. Two perpendicular axes or x-axis and y-axis, you can say. Okay. This is what? Origin. Now, this plane is divided by four equal parts. This is one part, this is another part, third part, it is fourth part. These equal parts are called as quadrants. What is that? Quadrants. The plane is divided by two axes into four equal parts. Four equal parts. We can call them as what? Quadrants. Now how many quadrants are there? Four quadrants. We have to name them. This must be the first quadrant. This is first quadrant. Now this is second quadrant. And this is third quadrant. Okay. And the last one, this is the fourth quadrant. Okay. The plane is divided by the four equal parts are called as quadrants, namely first, second, third, fourth quadrant. Yes, what we discussed up to now, the horizontal line is called as x-axis, vertical line is called as y-axis, the point of intersection of x-axis and y-axis is called as origin. This plane is divided into four equal parts. The four equal parts, they are called as what? Quadrants. Namely first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Okay. Now this plane is also called as XY plane. It is also called as what? XY plane. Why it is XY plane? Because we drawn here two axes, that is x-axis and y-axis. Therefore it is a XY plane. Or we can say this also as two-dimensional plane. What is that? Two-dimensional plane. Because there are two axes. Since there are two axes we drawn in a plane, we can say this plane is also as a two-dimensional plane or XY plane. Okay. Now, see, from the origin, the right side is also for x-axis. We can set as positive x-axis. I have to take positive values here. +1, +2, +3 like this. The left side of the origin is called negative x-axis, that is -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. Here also you can extend it. Positive x-axis means right side of the origin is positive x-axis, left side of the origin is negative x-axis. Then come to offside. The offside of the y-axis is positive y-axis. Offside of the origin. Offside of the origin is called as what? Positive y-axis, that is +1, +2, plus 3. Similarly, downside of the origin is called as what? Negative y-axis. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. Okay. Right side of the x-axis, right side of the origin, positive x-axis. Left side of the origin, negative x-axis. Upside of the origin, positive y-axis. Downside of the origin, negative y-axis. Okay. Now, I will consider a point. I will take point, one point here. I will take here. This is the point. Now, I will write this point as 2, comma. Otherwise, I will take here. The same point I will take here. Point P. This I will write it as 3, comma 2. Why I have written 3, comma 2? Let us see. So here, this 3 is nothing but from here, origin to here, how much distance? It is 1 unit distance. Then from here to here, 2 unit. From here to here, 3 unit. Okay. This first element is called as x coordinate. It is what? X coordinate. Why I written 3 here? From here to here, 3 unit distance is there. So therefore, this is 3. Okay. This is x coordinate. X coordinate is nothing but what? It is the distance from y-axis. X coordinate nothing but what? It is the distance from y-axis. This is a y-axis. From here to here, how much distance? 3 unit distance. Therefore, that is a x coordinate. What is the definition of x coordinate? X coordinate. The distance of a point from y-axis, that is called as x coordinate. Then one more point, second element is there. So this second element is called as y coordinate. What is that y coordinate? Y written 2 here. See here. From here to here, 1 unit distance. From here to here, 2 units. It is same. Okay. So from here to here, how much distance? 2 unit distance. Therefore, it is a 2. So y coordinate is nothing but what? It is the distance from x-axis. Distance from x-axis, that is y coordinate. So one more is what? Y coordinate. The distance of a point from x-axis. The distance of a point from x-axis is called y coordinate. Then the distance of a point from y-axis. From y-axis is called x coordinate. Just reverse. Distance from y-axis, it is x coordinate. Distance from x-axis, it is a y coordinate. Okay. Have you got the terms x coordinate and y coordinate? Okay. Now, x-axis is nothing but what? Horizontal line. Y-axis is nothing but vertical line. Origin nothing but point of intersection of two perpendicular axes, or the point of intersection of x-axis and y-axis. Then right side of the origin is positive x-axis. Left side of the origin is negative x-axis. Upside of the origin is positive y-axis. Downside of the origin is negative y-axis. Now xy plane is nothing but what? In the plane we drawn two axes. They are x-axis and y-axis. We can say this plane as xy plane, or you can say it as two-dimensional plane also, because there are two axes. Since there are two axes, we can say this plane is also as a two-dimensional plane. Okay. Now x coordinate. X coordinate is nothing but what? It is the distance of a point from y-axis. For x coordinate, it is from y-axis. Distance of a point from y-axis. Then y coordinate is nothing but what? Distance of a point from x coordinate. Sorry, x axis. The distance of a point from x axis, that is called as what? Y coordinate. Okay. Now let us write. This is all about the introduction. So today evening I will send you the notes on this. Okay. I'll write each points. So I will send you that introduction to you. You have to copy it in notes directly.